Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by shaping Onenote like a workspace. Create a notebook for each major area, then add sections and section groups to mirror projects. Once done, make sure to set a sensible sync cadence so changes propagate across devices. Enable offline access when you'll be without internet. Use a clear naming convention, dates first for logs, short tags for active work, because consistent structure saves time later. Now open a section and create a landing page titled with a short objective. We'll build from there. Now you organize actual content and workflows. Create pages for individual tasks or meetings, and nest subpages to capture subtasks and follow-ups. Use built-in tags, to do, important, question, and add custom tags that match your workflow to filter and find items quickly. Insert file attachments, audio recordings, and clipped web content. Compress or resize large images to keep notebooks performant. Once your pages are populated, use search and the tag summary to triage action items fast, and schedule recurring reviews to maintain clarity. Finally, refine and share your system. Create templates for recurring pages so you don't start from scratch. Use consistent headers and date stamps for quick scanning. When collaborating, share notebooks with precise permissions. Give edit rights sparingly. Use review-only links when needed. Export critical sections or perform regular backups to OneDrive or local files to guard data. Troubleshooting tip: if sync stalls, force a manual sync. Sign out and back in, then check for conflicting copies. Resolve conflicts by merging content into a single master page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.